gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5. The local time here has just gone 5:15 in the evening. Please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it's safe to leave your seats, take care when opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved and can fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you and remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated smoking area. If you're journeying here at Heathrow and leaving the aircraft, please follow the signs for arrivals. And if you are connecting onto another flight today, then please follow the